Hello, welcome to Spa World. Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy chicken fry. For our chicken fry recipe, first wash the chicken and keep it aside. Next, we'll need turmeric powder, chili powder and coriander powder, and we'll need some ginger garlic paste and some cornstarch. This is the cornstarch I got. And we'll need some salt and some chicken masala and some tomatoes. I've taken about 2 tomatoes. That's it. Add all the spices and the tomatoes and mix it well. Let it sit like this for about 10 minutes. Take a pan, add some oil. Now add the chicken to this. Cover this with the lid and let it cook for some time. After about 15 to 20 minutes, the chicken is all cooked and this is how it is. Now you can turn off the stove and let it cool down for a bit. Add some chicken masala, pepper, add the corn flour and mix it well. Take a wide non-stick pan, add some oil and let it heat up. After the oil heats up, add chicken to this. Spread the chicken like this so it's in a single layer. Cook the chicken until it turns golden brown and then flip it on the other side and cook again. It's all done now and I garnished it with cilantro. You can have this as is like an appetizer, or you could even mix it with rice along with rasam or sambar. This chicken will be crispy and also soft and moist. It'll be a very tasty chicken fry that you've ever tried. So do try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe if you haven't done so. Have a good day. Bye.